In the freezing air, the wind cuts like knives. A young, inexperienced golden eagle has difficulty finding somewhere to land in the featureless expanse. The fresh snow is damp, and the air is freezing. More snow collects in the eagle's feathers with each failed attempt to land. The first lumps of ice have begun to form on the exhausted bird. Instinctively, the eagle reacts to the danger. It makes its way into a tree. It would probably not survive a night on the cold, icy ground. The weather turns, and a storm gathers. The young eagle has no choice but to wait it out. Golden eagles can usually withstand temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius, thanks to their layers of downy feathers. Unfortunately, the ice in its outer feathers and the harsh weather conditions prove extremely challenging for the young.